Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. In today's exciting episode, we have something truly revolutionary to discuss. Our favorite visionary entrepreneur, Elon Musk, is at it again. Rumors have been circulating about his ambitious plan to roll out a robot wife. Yes, you heard it right, a robotic companion to redefine relationships as we know them. Let's dive into the details and explore this mind-boggling concept. Elon Musk has always pushed the boundaries of innovation, whether it's electric vehicles, space exploration, or even brain-computer interfaces. Now, he has set his sights on revolutionizing the way we form connections and experience love. Concept art of the robot wife has been making waves across the internet. From what we can gather, these humanoid robots will possess advanced artificial intelligence, enabling them to engage in deep conversations, understand human emotions, and adapt to individual preferences. Expert interviewee. The idea of robot companions is not entirely new. We have seen significant advancements in robotics and AI in recent years. Elon Musk's vision appears to be focused on creating a companion that can provide emotional support, intellectual stimulation, and genuine companionship, surpassing what current technology offers. Absolutely. The possibilities here are mind-blowing. Imagine having a partner who not only understands you but also adapts to your needs, challenges you intellectually, and supports you emotionally. It could be a significant game changer for those who struggle with social interactions or find it difficult to form lasting relationships. Let's take a closer look at some potential benefits. Firstly, these robot companions could alleviate loneliness and provide companionship to individuals who may not have traditional relationship options. They could help bridge the gap for those feeling isolated, enhancing their mental well-being. Secondly, the personalized nature of these companions could foster personal growth and self-improvement. They might offer insights and guidance based on a deep understanding of our personalities and preferences, enabling us to become the best versions of ourselves. Of course, as with any technological advancement, there are concerns that need to be addressed. Privacy and security will undoubtedly be at the top of the list. Ensuring that personal data remains confidential and that the robots cannot be exploited or manipulated is paramount. Furthermore, ethical considerations will play a significant role. It's essential to establish clear guidelines regarding consent, boundaries, and the overall impact of these robot companions on society. Careful regulation and oversight will be necessary to prevent any unintended consequences. Elon Musk, ever the optimist, has acknowledged these concerns and has stressed the importance of responsible development and deployment of this technology. He believes that if done right, robot companions could enhance our lives and create more meaningful connections. In conclusion, while the idea of a robot wife may seem far-fetched, Elon Musk has a knack for turning science fiction into reality. If he succeeds in this endeavor, it could change the landscape of relationships forever. Remember, this is just the beginning of the discussion. What are your thoughts on the concept of robot companions? Do you think it's a step forward or a potential cause for concern? Let us know in the comments below. That's all for today's episode. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest tech news and futuristic possibilities. Until next time, stay curious and embrace the future.